Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Unboxing Web3. I'm Gucci'da, and we're here to bring you the latest and greatest in blockchain, NFTs, and everything Web3. Dilly, what's on the docket today?
Today we're digging into something huge. It's a show called Killer Whales, and it's kind of like Shark Tank meets crypto chaos. And it's honestly like one of the coolest things on TV right now.
I agree. Killer Whales is a killer TV show, and they're gearing up for season 2, and we're gonna unbox it for you today. Let's dive into it.
All right, Gucci'da, let's take it back a bit. Killer Whales first splashed onto the scene in 2024, and it's all thanks to Hello Labs. They're this Web3 entertainment group started by some Hollywood heavyweights, including Grammy-nominated director Paul Kazlan.
Yeah, I love that origin story. These folks said something similar to what we said. It was, let's take Web3 and bring it to the mainstream.
It's a reality TV show where Web3 entrepreneurs step up to the plate and pitch their NFT project or ideas to the Web3 titans, which are the Killer Whales.
But instead of pitching coffee makers or yoga mats, these entrepreneurs are bringing decentralized apps, blockchain platforms, big, bold Web3 dreams to the table. It's high stakes and super exciting.
And season 1 was everywhere. I'm talking Apple TV, Amazon Prime, and even Hello TV. It reached 500 million people. Can you imagine 500 million people tuning in to watch Web3 products?
Dude, that is wild. 500 million people got to see these Web3 products. The coolest thing about this is if you get all 5 killer whales to support your project, then you win like mentorship from these legends, and you also get a promo package from CoinMarketCap. It's kind of like that golden ticket to stardom in Web3.
And it really paid off. Season 1 got an 8.5 on IMDb, certified fresh on Rotten Tomatoes. People loved it. 15% of the projects either got acquired or raised millions.
Yeah, there's some serious success stories that came out of Killer Whales. For example, Wallet Guard got acquired by Consensus, and our boys over at Apewater were able to raise $2.5 million after their show.
Okay, now let's talk about the real stars here, the whales. These judges are next level. You have Mario Nawfal, who started knocking doors and selling coffee, and now he runs the largest X space in the world, hosting guests like Elon Musk and even Mark Cuban.
And you also have Anthony Scaramucci, former White House communications director and also a Wall Street financier. He knows crypto and he knows Web3.
But don't sleep on Wendy O either. She's the mama bear of crypto. She's out there breaking it down for newbies, making the space feel welcome and understandable.
And let's not forget about our homie Illa, the producer. Illa is a Grammy-nominated producer, artist. He's worked with famous cats like Lil Wayne, Eminem. He's also a fellow ape and Cheetah Gang.
Beyond Illa, you got Gracie Chen, CEO of BitGet, and Rand Nooner of Crypto Banter, along with a cast of other judges like K-Money and a bunch more.
Now, let's talk season 2.
This season, they're mixing things up. This time, they got a host. His name's Thread Guy. Everybody knows him. He's the mullet-wearing guy that interviewed Trump and even had a podcast with Andrew Tate. Yeah, that guy.
It'll be nice to see Thread Guy back in the mix. He's been a bit MIA. It'll also be cool to see some other killer whales joining the squad. You've got George Tong from Crypto R Us. You've got Mika, who's basically like the queen of meme coins. The lineup is stacked. What do you think, Dilly?
I think it's pretty awesome, and I'm excited for season 2 to see what brands are highlighted in this season. But when does this whole thing kick off?
So on March 6th, it went live on X and Hello TV, but it's going global this month in April. Check Amazon Prime, Apple TV, Tubi, and Google Play.
They're aiming big this season too. They want to have 600 million viewers over 65 countries. So tune in and watch this global domination.
And for season 2, the stakes are higher this time. Not only are contestants still competing for that membership from all those legends we mentioned earlier, but they're also gunning for a $1.5 million incubation fund and a $100,000 CoinMarketCap accelerated package. There's a lot on the line this season. It's going to be epic.
So here's how it works in season 2. Contestants will walk up and they'll pitch their idea and either sink or swim. If they swim with 3 out of the 5 judges, they're actually going to cash in on some serious crypto support. So high pressure, high reward.
And there you have it. There's your deep dive into the TV series Killer Whales. We're really lucky to have this program bringing attention to Web3. Make sure you tune in this April and check it out for yourself.
Yeah, and if you're loving that we're bringing awareness to all these different projects and different crypto ideas, definitely give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and repost this content. It helps us out more than you know. But that's it for this one. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.